So a buddy and I had to grab some stuff at Walmart, and he said, if I give you 60 seconds and you could only take 5 items and you had to survive in the woods for 24 hours, what would you take? So I quickly grabbed them. 1, tarp, obviously that gives me shelter. So that's item number 1. Nothing fancy about that. Let me turn off my flip phone as I'm ringing. So that would be number 1. Number 2, remember this is Walmart items, not the highest quality, would be a hatchet. If I need to, I can use it for kindling, chopping wood, all that kind of stuff. That's item number 2. Item number 3 is I want to drink. And so I've got Life Straw. This is the only real filter that Walmart has. Not the highest quality thing, but hey, it's better than nothing. So that's 3. 4, I want a way to start a fire because again, I don't know what's going to happen if it's cold or if there's mosquitoes and we'll keep mosquitoes away. I've got stormproof matches here. So this is Walmart stormproof matches. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then here's my trick. Number 5 is going to be this fire log to help me start a fire to keep warm. Now, yes, you can buy these waterproof sticks, right? Expensive, or just buy one of these fire logs and you can turn it into these sticks. So you just chop this fire log up to 1,000,001 pieces and you can, again, have a bunch of these and you can use this, fill all your bug out bags with fire starting materials. So there you go. There's my quick 60-second run through. I'm sure I'm gonna get 8 million comments about what I forgot, but I don't care because I don't need much to survive. I can survive on almost nothing and that'll just make my life easier. All right, if I was married to you, you would make me get you one of these right here as part of our survival plan, which are, of course, air mattresses, which you don't need. That's a luxury. You know what works actually? What you should do is go to Home Depot, get the 4-inch thick foam pads they have. I have used those camping. You'll sleep like a baby. They obviously take up a lot of space, so you're not shoving in a bug out bag, but just get those foam pads from Home Depot. Those are awesome. They don't cost very much money. You don't need one of these pads. Of course, fishing is good. I used to go fishing all the time. I had a small river in the back of my house growing up. I went fishing like crazy. So yes, you should have an emergency fishing kit, and you have all the different stuff you need here for your fishing kit, of course. And then tent. Yeah, I mean, it's not going to be the world's greatest tent. The tent I like that I have for an extreme emergency is a big canvas tent. So it's a canvas tent. It weighs something like 80 pounds. So you're not hiking with it or anything. You're not going to find, I think it cost me close to $1,000, so it wasn't cheap. But you're obviously not going to find a $1,000 tent here. So figure out what works for you. It's better than nothing. I mean, it is some type of shelter. Let's see, what would I get? I'd get the 3-person A-frame. That way it could just be me and my wife and my kids couldn't come in. But they don't have, let me see, where's their massive tent that is around here? I guess it's right here. They're 12-person star viewing glamping tents. So there you go. If you got a big family like I do, and if all you have, then I've got 7 kids, you're gonna have to get that bad boy. Let's keep trucking. Of course, you got coolers, grab those. This right here is one of my favorite things from Walmart. Admittedly, I don't buy a lot of gear from Walmart because it is cheap and it's Chinese and it falls apart, but I like these aquatainers. I've got water storage, hundreds of gallons for my family, for my wife and kids. And we got 55-gallon drums, multiple 55-gallon drums. We've got a well at our bug out location. I think we have 10 of these right now. So this is 70 gallons, 70 gallons. So we have 10 of these stacked up in my basement. And then we have some 5-gallon. Anyways, I like these things. These are good. You should obviously have your water storage. So this is, if you're not gonna buy, well, don't buy the cheap crap if you can afford something better, like the knife that's gonna fall apart, the machete that's gonna fall apart. But water storage containers, this is a good solid one. So I do like this one.